Do you know English words, but still struggle to form correct sentences? Maybe you understand vocabulary, but when you try to speak, the words do not come out in the right order. That is a very common problem for English learners. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to make this simple. I will show you a simple formula to build correct English sentences with confidence. Hi, I'm Emma from Talk Easy English. If you want to improve your English easily and confidently, make sure to subscribe. Now, let's get started. First, let's understand what a sentence is. A sentence is a group of words that gives complete meaning. That means the listener or reader can understand the full idea. For example, I eat food. This is a complete sentence because it tells us who is doing the action and what the action is. It is simple, clear, and correct. Now, let's look at the basic formula for many English sentences. Subject plus verb plus object. Please remember this phrase, subject plus verb plus object. This is our simple formula. The subject is the person or thing that does the action. The verb is the action itself. The object is the thing that receives the action. That's the basic idea. Now, let's take each part slowly. The subject can be a pronoun like I, you, he, she, we, or they. It can also be a name like John or Emma. Or it can be a noun like the student, the dog, or the teacher. For example, I eat food. In this sentence, I is the subject. I is the one doing the action. Another example, she plays football. She is the subject. She is doing the action. She is doing the action. Another example, they study English. They is the subject. Good so far? Great. Now, let's talk about the verb. The verb is the action word. It tells us what the subject does. Some common verbs are eat, play, study, read, watch, drink, write, and sleep. Listen carefully to these examples. I eat. She plays. They study. He reads. We watch. Do you notice something? The verb changes a little when the subject is he, she, or it. That is very important. For he, she, and it, we often add s or es to the verb. For example, she eats. He reads. It works. This is an important grammar rule. Now, let's talk about the object. The object is the thing that receives the action. In the sentence, I eat food, the object is food. In she plays football, the object is football. In they study English, the object is English. The object answers the question, what? What do I eat? Food. What does she play? Football. What do they study? English. Now let's combine everything slowly. Subject, verb, object. I eat food. She plays football. They study English. He reads books. We watch TV. She drinks water. These are all correct sentences because they follow the correct word order. And word order is very important in English. If you change the order, the sentence can sound wrong. For example, eat I food. That is incorrect. Why is it incorrect? Because English needs the subject first. We say the person first, then the action, then the object. So the correct sentence is, I eat food. Let's look at more examples of correct word order. The student reads a book. My sister watches TV. John plays football. The teacher explains the lesson. The dog eats meat. Each sentence follows the same basic pattern. Subject, verb, object. Now, here is another important point. Sometimes learners forget the verb. For example, I food. That is not a complete sentence. We need the action word. So we say, I eat food. Sometimes learners put the object before the subject. For example, food I eat. That is also incorrect in normal English sentence order. So remember, the normal order is subject first. Now let's practice a little more. Say this with me. He reads books. Good. We watch TV. Excellent. She drinks water. Very nice. They study English. Wonderful. Now let's do a quick check. Which one is correct? A. Eats she apples? She eats apples. Take a moment. The correct answer is B. She eats apples because it follows the correct structure. Subject plus verb plus object. And also because she goes with eats. Very important. Here is another one. Which sentence is correct? I reads books. I read books. I read books. The correct answer is B. I read books. We do not say I reads. We say I read. Now let's make it even easier with a simple table in your mind. I eat. You eat. We eat. They eat. He eats. She eats. It eats. Do you see the pattern? Only he, she, and it usually take the S form in simple present tense. That is one of the most important grammar points for beginners. Now, let's think about meaning for a moment. When you say a sentence correctly, your message becomes clear. The listener understands you quickly. That is why correct sentence structure is so important. It helps you sound clear, confident, and natural. It also helps you avoid confusion. Now, I want to give you one more set of examples. The child opens the door. The boy writes a letter. My mother cooks dinner. The students answer the question. My friend drives a car. These sentences all follow the same simple formula. Subject, verb, object. Let's break one down together. The boy writes a letter. The boy is the subject. Writes is the verb. A letter is the object. Very good. Now let's try some sentence building. I eat rice. She reads books. They play games. He drinks milk. We learn English. Good job. Try saying them aloud if you are practicing with me. Speaking out loud is a great way to remember grammar. Now, one more important tip. Do not only memorize the formula. Use it. Make your own sentences every day. For example, I study English every morning. My brother plays football on Sunday. We watch a movie at night. She drinks tea in the afternoon. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. And the more you practice, the faster your English improves. Now, let's review the lesson. A sentence gives complete meaning. A simple English sentence often follows this formula. Subject plus verb plus object. The subject does the action. The verb is the action. The object receives the action. Word order is important. Word order is important. He, she, and it often take the S form in the simple present tense. And yes, that is very important. Now, let's do one final mini quiz. Which sentence is correct? A. They studies English. They study English. Audio profile. Emma. The scene. The conversation is already underway. The previous line was B. They study English. Director's notes. Speak slowly and clearly with a warm, supportive, professional tone. Use gentle emphasis on key teaching phrases, natural pauses after sentences, and a calm, confident classroom rhythm. Use clear English pronunciation with a friendly, approachable delivery that sounds human, patient, and easy to follow. The correct answer is B. They study English. Because they does not take the S form. Good work. One last one. She play football? She plays football. Audio profile. Emma. The scene. The conversation is already underway. The previous line was B. She plays football. Director's notes. Speak slowly and clearly with a warm, supportive, professional tone. Use gentle emphasis on key teaching phrases, natural pauses after sentences, and a calm, confident classroom rhythm. Use clear English pronunciation with a friendly, approachable delivery that sounds human, patient, and easy to follow. The correct answer is B. She plays football. Very good. You are learning fast. Let's finish with a final reminder. Correct English sentences do not have to be difficult. Start with one simple formula. Subject, verb, object. Practice with short sentences. Repeat them every day. And slowly, your English will become stronger and more confident. Great job today. Now you know the basic structure of English sentences. Practice this every day, and your English will improve quickly. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I'm Emma from Talk Easy English. See you in the next